We're here with Minnesota Inboard Water Sports, learning about the sea strainer or weed trap that's on the back of the Malibu Monsoon Engines. There's three components to the weed trap. We've got the red strainer framework, the orange or red gasket, and the clear housing that all work together. This helps prevent the engine from overheating and collects weeds and debris before the water gets circulated through the engine. Most of the boats, we're gonna get access to it on the driver's side underneath this rear storage compartment. We're gonna take out that storage tub. I'm gonna look and reach down in there where I see it attached. If you ever see that that's green or brown or your engine temperature is running a little bit high, unscrew that, clean out the strainer, and reinstall it. When you reinstall it, you want to make sure that there's no water leaking from it while the engine's running, and make sure that that's on tight. In some of the boats where you don't have this storage tub, say the Axis models or some of the newer models that are hard to get at from here, we're going to get at it from the ballast compartment. So we're going to come up in the boat. It's easier if you take out the tray on top of the engine, some of those side panels that separate the ballast compartment from the engine right here. Take those out. We're actually going to climb into that compartment. Takes a little bit of time, but you want to get down in there, get small, and we're going to crawl to the back of the engine on the driver's side to get at that sea strainer. Sometimes this is mounted in different facing locations, so it could be pointed down towards the floor or pointed up. We just don't want to make sure it's not rubbing on any of the pulleys or moving engine components. But clean that out, twist it off, clean it out, put it back on, make sure it's not leaking. In some of your newest models, there's a board storage locker on top of the engine where if you need to get at that sea strainer, we're actually going to take out the three pieces of that board storage locker so we can get at that side compartment where the ballast is towards the back of the engine. Hopefully that information helps keep your engine running smoothly with the sea strainer.